6x plus 7. Okay, 6x plus 7 from -2 to 2. Okay, see, it is variable force, so work will be equal to x1 to x2 f dot dx. W is equal to, what is f? 6x plus 7 dx, and it is -2 to 2. Okay, now tell me, what is the integration of x?
X square by 2.
X square by 2.
X square by 2 plus, okay, and of 7?
7x.
Good, 7x. Okay, here the limit. Now what we do? We write the first put the upper limit and then lower limit. So W is equal to, it's 3. It is 3x square plus 7x, limit -2 to 2. 3 square plus 7 into 2, and then minus 3 into -2 square plus 7 into -2. Okay, solve this. It is 4 3 are 12 and 14. 12 and 14, 26, I think. 12 and 14, 26.
26.
Minus. It is 12 and it is -14. 12 minus 14, it is -2 minus plus 2. Answer will be 28 Joule.
सर सही है.
ठीक है, काफी लोगों का सही था. No, it is positive. Plus 28 Joule. Answer will be plus 28 Joule. Okay, so please solve these questions very carefully. Do not put wrong signs. रब कर दूं इसे?
Yes.
Okay, come on to the energy. Kinetic energy. First, you tell me the definition which you already know. You have already learned in 9th class. Tell me, what is the definition of kinetic energy? According to 9th class, tell me, don't worry. Or anything, definition, any other definition which you know. Tell me, what is the definition of kinetic energy?
Sir, energy which is possessed by its motion. यही कल बताया था.
And then, okay,
Sir,
you
the
have
for-
learned.
Sir,
See, you have learned energy possesses.
due to motion of object.
Okay, due to motion. Okay, it is your definition. Huh? It is just concept, not a definition. It is concept. And yesterday I told you energy is equal to work.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
an object is in motion. Let's suppose an object is in motion. That means it has a kinetic energy, but from where the energy is coming in this body. See, now listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. See, suppose an object is in rest. U is equal to 0. Suppose the object is in rest, and I pulled this object up to this distance S. Okay, and left. What is happening here? I'm pulling this object and left. So till this distance, I'm pulling this object, I'm applying force, then I'm doing some work, F dot S, and this work is stored in that object as its kinetic energy. समझ में आ रही है चीज? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने एक ऑब्जेक्ट को पकड़ा और खींचा. तो जब तक मैं उसे खींचता रहूंगा, till that time I'm applying the force. And as I left that object, now I'm not applying any force. That object is moving with the constant velocity in inertia and having the kinetic energy. The work I did is converted to kinetic energy and stored in this object. So how to define kinetic energy now? The work done to move an object from rest is stored in that object as its kinetic energy. Okay, so this is the definition. Please keep in mind, it is the related definition with work, and you have to learn this definition. Okay, so as I read, suppose here we have an object at rest, U is equal to 0. I applied some force till a distance or displacement S and left it. Here its velocity, its initial velocity V1 is equal to U, which is 0, and its final velocity V2, which is equal to V, which is not equal to 0. which is not equal to 0. That means this object has some acceleration here. Okay. Now, as the definition, work done to move the object from rest is stored in that object as its kinetic energy. That means work done is equal to kinetic energy. Now, what is the work done? I did the work F dot S. F dot S. This is the work done, which is equal to kinetic energy, which is equal to kinetic energy. What is work done? Oh, sorry, what is force? If the object having mass m and gains an acceleration a, in that case F equal to ma into s, which is equal to kinetic energy. That means kinetic energy equal to mas. Generally अगर ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन में है तो हमें उसका एक्सेलरेशन नहीं पता होता है. रीजन, हमने यहां तक फोर्स लगाया था. अप टू दिस डिस्टेंस वी हैव अप्लाइड फोर्स. आफ्टर दिस ऑब्जेक्ट not experiencing any force, it is moving in inertia. That means there is no acceleration in the object. So we have to remove this acceleration. And how to remove? See, here we have u, v, s and a. Tell me any equation which contains all these four quantities.
Equation.
Third equation.
Okay, third equation. Using third equation, we have v square is equal to u square plus 2as. That means v square equal to 0 plus 2as. Find out the value of a. A is equal to v square by 2s and put it in equation number 1. रख दो इसमें. In equation number 1. So kinetic energy will be equal to m v square by 2s into s. Cut it. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. Clear?
Sir.
Write this derivation.
Sir.
हाँ.
Sir, kinetic energy का तो वो तो E के लिखते हैं ना
सर
सर.
सामने से हटना.
It's okay. Don't worry. You can write k e. You can write e k k e e k. You can write anything.
Okay.
ठीक है? It's abbreviations. You can use any abbreviation to represent kinetic energy, but it should be related.
नाम सर.
Yes, Garvit.
सर पहले चैप्टर से सारे पीडीएफ भेज देना प्लीज. एक बार चेक
Discuss
हो
me
जाएगा.
after the class. Garvit, discuss me after this class. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay. Now see, it is the derivation
Okay.
of kinetic energy using analytical method. But in exam, you will have the question as derive the formula of kinetic energy using calculus method, or even you have to use calculus method in your 11th class. Generally, all the questions will be solved using calculus method. So now I'm driving this equation using calculus method. Approach is same again. Approach is same. We have an object here. Its initial velocity, which was v1, is u, is 0. After some time, its velocity becomes v2, which is v, and it is not 0. Okay. Suppose I'm using a variable force. I'm using a variable force here. That means we have to do different work in different sections. At every position, work will be different. So or we can write this work done by variable force. What is the formula of work done by variable force?
S into S.
W is equal to integration f dot dx x1 to x2. Suppose suppose the object is moving on x-axis, this distance is x1 and this displacement is x2, or we can say its position is x1, its position is x2. So x2 minus x1 will be the net displacement of the body. Okay, and to move by ds displacement, we have to do some work, that is dw, and in this case, this work done is equal to kinetic energy. So using definition, so by the definition, kinetic energy is equal to work done, which is equal to x1 to x2 f dot dx. So kinetic energy K is equal to f dot dx. F equal to ma into dx, x1 to x2. Tell me, is acceleration constant here or variable? Its mass is constant, m. Its mass is constant, but f is different. F is equal to ma, so a is proportional to f. As f changes, acceleration also changes. So that means we have variable acceleration. So that means m will come outside the integration x1 x2 a dx. Now change a. Change a. Change a with respect to dx. I have told you a formula which relates a with dx. What was that formula of acceleration? Remind.
इतना सारा कैसे करेंगे सर?
Don't worry, it's easy. See, a is equal to v into dv by dx. याद है कुछ?
कुछ नहीं याद.
सर ये vd dx ये याद है, a याद नहीं.
Okay, no problem, no problem. See, a is equal to dv by dt. Is it correct?
Okay.
Put it here. अभी आ जाएगा 1 मिनट में. K is equal to m integration x1 to x2 dv by dt into dx. Now this dx by dt, it becomes v. K is equal to m x1 to x2. It's instantaneous velocity. Got it? It is instantaneous velocity. Now integrate this. We don't need anything. What is the integration of v with respect to dv?
20 पता ही नहीं.
One more thing. See, हमने यहाँ पर क्या चेंज किया हुआ है? dv. तो हमारी लिमिट्स भी क्या हो जाएंगी? चेंज हो जाएंगी ना. तो यहाँ देखो, at x1 इस x1 पोजीशन पर what was the velocity? 0. v1 was 0, and at x2 v2 was v. So at x2, v2 was v. So limit will be changed from 0 to v. Now integrate it. It will be v square by 2, 0 to v. Put the values. K will be equal to m v square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. So k will be 1 upon 2 mv square.